Hi everyone, and thanks for considering my session, Performance Improvement by the Numbers. My name is Mark Snow and I work with an organization called HRD Press, or Human Resource Development Press. And I have to tell you, I'm really happy at the change that ASTD made in becoming ATD. And this session really speaks to that change in terms of the way that I and that we at HRD Press approach this issue. And that is, we have to start taking a little bit of a cautious eye in terms of saying that training and development is a performance fix, no matter what the issue. Now, training and development will always play a role, but what ATD has recognized and what this session talks about is looking at the larger picture. So performance improvement by the numbers as a session talks about getting in on the front end of the problem-solving process, truly understanding what a performance issue might be. Training and development will often play a role, but isn't always central. There are several different performance barriers that should be looked at in each and every instance of understanding where a performance issue is happening. So the first thing that we do is we look at all of the barriers to performance and how much of a potential solution we're going to get from training and development, or HR, or organizational development, or somewhere else in the organization. So step one is understanding truly what we're dealing with from a performance issue point of view. Then we talk about how to assign responsibility for that performance improvement. We're all performance improvement agents in an organization working in the departments that we work. So we have to be willing to accept our responsibility, and we have to make sure that everyone else is accountable for their role in improving the performance, again, at the individual, department, and organizational level. And then the third part of the session is how to broadcast those results. Having positive performance gains increases morale in the workforce, increases the ability for managers of departments or heads of business units to be able to, in measurable ways, say, here's the effect that we had. Here's where we gained performance, where we didn't have it before. Here's how we bridge the gap. And then at the executive and board level, there's an opportunity for them to, at a glance, understand what's going on in their companies, and then turn that outward, if they wish, into promotional information to benefit recruiting or industry standing or whatever it might be. So performance improvement by the numbers is a front-to-back session that goes all the way from diagnosing individual performance issues to then at the executive level being able to take those results and turn them into powerful organizational advantages. Thanks again for your time, and I hope that we'll be presenting this session at ATD 2015.